this is our annual Eggstravaganza, one of our big community outreach events as part of FTC Cares. So we have a lot of great events going on today, a lot of community partners that come and interact as well. We got the Easter Bunny, the man himself. We had a free breakfast with the Easter Bunny and now free pictures with the Easter Bunny. We have tons of raffles, giving away tablets, giant chocolate eggs and rabbits that were created by the culinary and baking students. Lots of fun things for all the families to do today. We had over 1,700 RSVPs for the event. And I can tell you this, for one of the egg hunts that we did for the smaller children, we went through 3,000 Easter eggs in less than 4 minutes. The Vice Mayor's here. She's a big supporter of FTC and the community, of course, so it's been great to interact with her. Other community leaders have been through and other leaders from the business world. A lot of them have tables set up so they can also interact with the community and be part of the extravaganza.